Hello everybody, today I want to share with you one of my personal stories of my personal fuck up during my first year on Amazon. It was back in 2019 and it was my third product at that time. I didn't have any team, any employees. I was a one-man show and I wanted to launch a new bundle of a hookah ball with an HMD. And I saw similar HMDs already selling on Amazon, and basically it was a copy of a famous and well-known Kalut Lotus 1. And I saw them on Amazon selling. I thought, okay, then it should be fine and I can sell them as well. I spent maybe 2 months looking for a supplier. It wasn't easy actually. I tested multiple samples from different suppliers, and after I found one, we agreed. I think the price was about $4 at that time to start with 2,000 units. And after maybe half a year or a bit less, maybe 4 months of work, research and transportation, I got the product finally and was ready to start. And soon enough, it took off directly from the first day. I got 5 sales on the first day, 10 on the second, and the rest, it was about 20 sales per day for the next weeks. But unfortunately, after about 2 months of sales, the product was suspended. I didn't know why. And this was my first suspension on Amazon. I was shocked actually. And when I found out the reason, I saw that I was violating a patent. What kind of patent could it be? And you might guess it. Yes, it was the Kalut Lotus patent for their HMD. And this was really a big lesson for me, a big lesson, since I saw this unit selling on Amazon from other sellers and other brands, but still it was not legal and under a patent protection. So if you see something selling on Amazon, it doesn't mean that you can sell it as well. Yes, and it can be that it's just a matter of time until it gets suspended and banned. So what was the outcome of this story? Then I started receiving letters from their lawyers from Munich, and they have their lawyers company all over the world. Yes, even though I was selling in Germany and the company was from USA, yes, the patent was global and they can get you everywhere. Yes, so just don't think that you are safe if you are selling in another country. Yes, first you have to check it, for example, on Google Patents, or hire a lawyer, which would be around 300 euros per hour. And in 3 hours, he should be able to tell you whether you can launch this product or not, or the probability of getting suspended. So the outcome of my story was, after getting all those mails, was that I should pay a fine of, at that time, 12,000 euros, and I should tell them all my profits from the last month, and also do a wire transfer of my profits and get all of my rest inventory destroyed. I was happy that I could get them on the call and have a small negotiation with the lawyers, and we agreed on a smaller fine of $7,000 and destroying all of my inventory. And at that time I had 1,400 units left. So you can count 1,400 units multiplied by 4 euros. It's 5,600 euros and 7,000 fine. So it was 13,500 euros, which was completely minus for my business during the first year. And additionally to this, I spent half a year working on this product and launching it, and it became even a bestseller. Yes, so it's lost time, lost money, and a lot of nerves and emotions at that time. Yes, so I even had thought maybe business is not the right thing for me. Patent can be a really serious thing. I think 7,000 euros, it was just the beginning. So it can be actually 70,000 euros or 700,000 euros. Yes, it depends on the product and who is your patent enemy. So next time, before you launch a product where you're not sure if it's under patent protection or not, check out on Google Patents, ask your lawyer, or if you need further resources, ask me, drop me a comment. I can give you more sources where you can check on patents. Thank you for joining. See you on the next video.